good evening, everybody. We're gonna try a thing today. Yeah. Sunday shenanigans happening. Cold snacks, and yep, forgot something again. So let's go over here, grab the thing that rolls on the thing so we can get this done. Shouldn't take long. We're back on the 2011 retired Dodge Charger Pursuit. So we're gonna do this and maybe that. Oh, look at all the pollen. Oh, we're gonna have to clean this off, most likely. But anyway, let me show you what we got. The situation. You know, drinking cold beers, and I had a bright idea. Maybe so bright. I'm just saying, it may not be the brightest, but we're doing it. It's just still too quiet. You know, it's good, but is it great? No. So let's try to wipe this down. Try to wipe it, maybe. Oh, nope, dropped it. But anyways, let's get over here. Quick wipe, be under there, see what we got to deal with. Trying to make this quick and easy. Bought some cheap ass parts. No, not cheap. But I'm saying they're parts. Good enough. Here we go. Oh, no, down here. Oh, here's what we got. Can we see? Oh, nope, looking at me again. Can we shoot it? Oh, this little guy. We need to not have that anymore. So the best avenue approach for this, I think, is to chop this and maybe just, I don't know, man, how to chopulate that to make that gooder. We need to actually use that for the pipe we got. I mean, we could just put tips on it and call it a day. Maybe. Let's try that. Let's just cut it and put tips. It does need to go over, but let's look at this side. Yeah, we need to get rid of this guy. Save some weight. Is that? What is that? That's a thing. Huh, that side don't have it. A ground of some kind. Faux show. No? Looks just a latchulator. Well, we can save on that guy. No, we can't. We gotta chop that guy. Okay, can we do a thing? Can you see that? We gotta... What is that for? I don't get... Just grounding? To... What is it? Are we grounding to? Is that... To the frame, somehow. Anywho's way. How are we gonna attack this? I think we're gonna chop it right here. So we keep this. We get rid of this, and we have this guy, which we'll probably figure that out. Can y'all see that? Well, get in there. You see that? Yeah, we gotta get past that. Anywho's way, delete on this. That thing is heavy. I'm just saying, we probably gain a few horse torques. Anywho's way, formulation of plan, start. See what we got. I found my pipe cutter. Is it working? I cannot find my blades, of course. Nope, didn't work. Kinda cutting? Nope. Alright, look what I found. Yes, steel, not wood. That's what we needed. Let's see how many sparks we can make with this one. What are we turning? Hey, that worked. Deal. Alright, now we got a bigger one. Hey, we're on to something. See what we got, what you want. Eat, 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 eat. Out, don't get stuck on that guy. Or that guy. Or, you know, probably. So loud. Actually, I think it's just screwed on. Look at that. Let me go get a boltulator. Unboltulator. Yeah. Alright, I'm back. Tip, we're just going to crank it up once so you can see the difference per side. So, hopefully, this is the correct socket. Is it not? It. We nailed it. Nice. Lucky guess. Lucky. Come on now. Got it. Ugh. thing weighs a ton. All right, opposite. Come on now, go back. Go back. Alright, she's tight. No rattles. So today's flavor is O'Reilly's Spectre Services. Oh, this is tight. Let's cut it. Some good plastic. Pocket. It says resonator, and that's, you know, we need some of that. And why is the sticker on here for? I want you off. Can we do it? Can we do it? Oh, no, no. Damn it. Oh, well. 50% ain't bad. Oh, we're getting a little more. Go 60. 40, 30. Hell yeah, check that out. $100, like it. Don't scratch the pert. Go opposites. All right, let's get her on. Oh, well, what do you want? You want more? Well, dang, you see all it is? And here you have these little clampulators we gotta push up. There we go. Now we gotta go backwards. Get it the right way. Right there. Perfect. I like it. Sure. Stay. Can we... Oh, this is going to be a struggle. Why? Can't see it. But that's sharp. I'll tell you that. That cutter later we did. Can only turn that one a little bit. I probably should have did a before and after, eh? Nope. But like I said, I'll compare them both and try not to get these blazing hot. Let go. I mean, they were there for decoration, right? think that's going nowhere. Where is that going? Nowhere. Y'all ready? Y'all ready? Okay, y'all let me know what y'all think. Listen. That's what the new one? Listen how quiet that is. Very quiet. That sounds good. All right, let's not let this get too hot now. Let's not get crazy, is what I'm saying. Let's get this other one did. All right, let's go get the other populator in preparation. That one came off, so I'm good with it. That sounds good. I'm sure happy. Cheap way out, you know. Wait, you know, top 30% is all we want. Save some money. Those exhausts are expensive. Let's take this one out. I think we kicked the shit out of this one. Go! Well, I think, yeah, it was a solid throw. I like it. All right, so let's get back to work. Whew. So, now to this side. Y'all ready for it? So we got to do this guy. It should go a lot quicker since we know the tools, right? Ooh, that got kind of spicy hot. Ooh, good thing I had safety goggles. I had a bunch of sand in it. So which one did we want to cut? Do y'all remember? Okay, let's put this down. Let's take this off for now, because we got a saw on it. Can y'all see? Can y'all get it? Where are we at? Where are we looking? We looking at this? No. How about now? Are we looking? We're kind of looking at that. So let me prop you up here. That way y'all can see the action. All right, here we go again. So I believe we chop somewhere in here. Somewhere I don't understand. We're doing it. Problem solved. Let's go. That one just a struggle. We got it. That was hot. All right. So in theory, we do the same thing the wrong way. Y'all see it? Can y'all see it? Let's try this. Are we low on battery? What do we want? I don't know what we want. Do we want this? Do we want... We're so close. What? I don't know what we want. All right, I say we just take this mount out. How about we take this mount out? Again, using the Craftsman 1/2 inch, we're gonna go up here and take this bolt out. Got it. Safety goggles back on, initiated. Right, we're out. Come on. Is there another one? Nope. All right, y'all stand back. Got it. Yes. Did y'all see that foot action? That was pretty epic, right? Foot. Extreme. See what we got left? Let's get this out of the way. Holy crap, this thing weighs like 50 pounds. My car just got out on a diet. All right. Well, what is this? What is this gonna do? What's this? Oh, let's just do that. I'm fine with it. Someone's obviously tried this one out before me, but hey, look, we even kept the thing on. Oh, what do we gotta do next? Y'all remember? This thing, I don't know what it's for though. Grounding. We're calling it groundation. It's grounded. Oh, here we go. We can reel it in right now. It's pointy. All right. Go back to the, what is this? 10 millimeter. How did y'all know? Y'all are so smart. You're good at this. Should have asked y'all first. Oh, wrong way. Okay, maybe we do this. You don't like that either, do you? Oh, they like it. I just don't. Can we do this? Ground wire in the way. I don't think that's going nowhere. We're going to give this a couple more whirls. Got it. I got something in my mouth. We did it. Flip you on. Look at that. Zoom out. Boom, boom. I'm going to park y'all back here to listen. Get the tools out. Don't need them. Oh. Guess we got to put that back in, eh? Pause for identification break. Yeah, America. All right, got y'all set up for the show. Y'all ready? What do y'all think? I think that sounds great. Let's get in here. Whoa, 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 whoa. I'll be dipped. We did it. Simple. A little bit of ingenuity, and I mean, look. Look. We're doing this. Doing Olympic Games today. I bet y'all didn't know games. The sling put. Go. You win. Win. So today, what did we learn? Just do it, man. You don't have to spend a whole lot of cash to get back what you get. Do what you do. That sounds damn good. We dropped probably damn 80 pounds. That sounds so good. Let's get you in there. Let's hear the rumbles. All right, one more time for the show, right? Let's do it. All right, Hoonigan for life. Let freedom ring, America. I'm gonna come back and get a cold snack after this. Got to have a moment to talk about these things. It ain't that, difficult to take shortcuts. I mean, listen to that. That sounds good. I can't even see my populators, but it's... Okay. Let's do this. America! Heck. Get some fact. Yeah. Okay, go. Go! Team break.